All right, everybody. So before I read this, I am going to say that this is pretty sick what I'm about to read, and I'm going to put it on the screen too. But it's all starting to make sense now why this guy wants to call me a pedophile. And you can read along with me if you want. Skip the first message, but it says, I cannot help if very young girls are attracted to me and want me. Smiley face. Weird. I'm not a pedophile. I'm not attracted to children. A young girl is not a child. When a woman is fully sexually developed and capable of breeding, that's when she's attractive to me. That's like the ages of 11 to 13. Again, this is very sickening. Does that mean I hunt down 16-year-olds? No. Girls that young are socially unattractive due to their social programming because of their surroundings and the fact they still have parents guide them. It's not attractive. It's yuck. It's a 16-year-old girl. Yes, it's yuck. I don't like any girl that's assimilated by the Western social constructs. I like girls that's young as possible and beautiful, meaning tits, ass, healthy body, and presents herself well and is feminine and loyal to me and private. My close women are very private. They don't have big Instagrams, although some of my girls do have Instagrams. Again, this is a very sick person, and this is why they want you to think that I'm the pedophile. Not a pedophile. He literally admits to it in this message. It's not fake, as you can see on my phone and the screenshot. It's his picture. So just wanted to share this with y'all. We are getting closer and closer to bringing this sick guy down. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Make sure y'all share this everywhere so more people can see this before they get scammed by this guy. Hope y'all have a great day.